Get up. It's time to do farm chores. Oh, my back. Oh! And no, this is not from my back getting blown out. Although I wish it was. Where do I just be coming up with shit? Like, I swear, I'm coming. Oh, big back hoe. 'Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Over again. Don't make me change my mind. I should be in a screamo band. My big toe really hurts. I got the little piece of skin on the bottom of it. Got ripped off somehow or another. Oh, she ain't got one. Okay. I need to prepare myself for this. I know goddamn well you ain't shitting in my fucking stalls. Sir, I know you fucking lying. You got to be fucking kidding me. Already off to some bullshit today, I see. Why are you just shitting in them stalls like that? You got the whole outside. And you need a mattress to shit on too? You too bougie? God damn, Chance. Oh, goddamn, your shit stank. What have you eaten? Ooh, I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. That shit is ripe, Chance. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. I'm finna throw up. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. My eyes is watering. God damn. That's so much worse than horse shit. That's a big ass shit too. I about threw up for real. Oh my God. Look at her out there. They licking on each other's buttholes. You ain't getting no tallywhacker. Get off of her damn coochie too. Hey, quit 69ing. Quit. Girl, she is in his butthole. Can y'all not? Can y'all really not? Hello, I'm talking to you. Thank you for your attention. I do appreciate it. We need to have a conversation, okay? Because what we're not about to do is start with no bullshit, okay? Girl, if you don't get your nose out of his rectum, get your nose out of his rectum. We need to have a discussion. Because what I'm not about to do is put up with y'all's bullshit today, okay? You understand? It's always some bullshit with y'all, all of y'all. I'm about to put y'all in y'all's bedrooms and y'all act like y'all got some sense, okay? Because I've been out in these highways and byways, shaking this ass in a circle for y'all, on tour making money. Why? So I can pay for y'all. Every time you get hurt, quit, before I bust your ass. You bite me, and I promise you, I'm gonna punch you dead in your fucking forehead. Do you hear me? I know y'all think, hello. Y'all think y'all just lived a life of luxury because y'all cute, or from my looks. It ain't happening. I be out on these streets for y'all. Out here on these streets for y'all. And I gotta finish up this little tour, okay? I gotta wrap it up. I gotta wrap it on up. I done been everywhere for y'all, and I gotta wrap it on up, do a couple more shows, okay? In the spring of 2026. And you gonna act like you got some sense. So I can go out here on these highways and byways and shake what I got. So I can pay for you to put your damn shoe on. Cause where's your fucking shoe? Where's your shoe at, Foos? This is the shit I'm talking about. This is the shit I'm talking about. Quit eating my damn fence. What did I just say? What did I say? Come here, you bastard. I'm gonna beat your ass. Do you hear me? Oh, big ass. Wookie, Daddy's gotta go do a few more shows, okay? I know you fucking lying. Hey, Daddy has to go do a few more shows, all right? I'm gonna go do a few more shows in the spring, make a little bit more money for you, so I can give you the life you've always wanted. Not like you already don't got it, you know? But I'm gonna hit a few more places that I didn't hit this year, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna go to Seattle. Were they on drugs? I'm gonna go to Texas again. We're gonna go to Louisiana. You know, where they out there really, really doing shit. Hey, I'm gonna fuck you up. Come on, angels, let's go in your stalls. Come on, my sweet angels, let's go. Come on, Lolo. Hey, Foos. Hey, not your stall. Not your mother, not your stall. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. And this is why I've been on tour for the last year and a half, so I ain't dealing with y'all shit. Go to your stall, please, ma'am. You turn it around. Wind it up, turn it around. This is why I'm finna leave y'all's asses again. I gotta do some more shows. I got to do some more shows. Cause y'all wear me slap the hell out. Ooh. Hey, what the I done told your ass. Ooh, you gonna piss me off. Non-listening ass, fucking toddler. That's what you are. You're a toddler. Now give me my damn slide. See, this is why I gotta go on tour, so I can't keep putting up with you. I can't. You keep hurting, fucking kicking people. I gotta pay for vet bills because of you. Move, Wook. Actually, go in your stall, Wookie. Come on, Wookie. Hell, come on. In your stall, please. Oh, you wanna go in so goddamn bad, but then thank you, in your stall. Thank you, in your stall. You better get your big ass in your stall. I'll bust your ass. Where's my damn slipper? I got to go on tour. I know you fucking lying. Damn it! I'ma kill y'all. I'ma really just fucking kill y'all. What y'all gonna do when I ain't here? What y'all gonna do then? What y'all gonna do when I'm back on the road? What y'all gonna do? Cause I know ain't nobody gonna take care of y'all the way I do. Cause y'all don't have no damn sense. Come on, Luna. Let's go to your stall, Angel. Come on. Y'all know people on the internet say I don't take care of y'all. Y'all are so mistreated. Doll, I am not the one today. Y'all are so mistreated. So mistreated. Ugh. God, I fucking hate it here. I just broke my ankle. Cause they trying to kill my ass. Come on. Doot, doot, doot. Go. Yeah, you see that? She got that ass beat, she know. Y'all make me miss you when I be gone all the time on doing all these shows. But then I come home and when y'all act like this, it makes me want to go back. Yes, and I am. Left a good job on the city to come home to some shitty chickens. That's a hit. Left a good job on the tour bus. And this is what I come home to, shit. Tell me how my life, I be on the road, on a tour bus, people bringing me coffee, signing autographs, taking pictures, performing for sold out shows, to come home and sweep chicken shit. Cinderella, Cinderella. Didn't Cinderella at least get some dick or something? Cause shit. Cinderella, uh-oh. Can you see my coochie? Cinderella, Cinderella. At least she had the 7 dwarves. Shit, wait. No, that was Snow, wait. That was Snow White. Cinderella, what's Cinderella? Cinderella lost her shoe. Shit, I lost my shoe. Oh my God. It's Charlotte's Web. Charlotte. You see Charlotte? I swear, my life is a Disney movie. Come now, bump into me again and I'm gonna bust your ass. Come here. Sit. Like a good boy. Sit. 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 Like you know how. Sit. Sit. Thank you. You want to go on tour with Daddy? You can go on stage. Oh my. Come on. God almighty. Oh, big ass. Okay, sit. 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 Oh, only a face a father could love. Have a great day. Don't think you got out of that laundry. Don't think. Don't think. Don't even think. There you go. Don't be out there fighting. That will bust y'all's asses. There's plenty of y'all to make a McNugget meal. Extra large. So don't play with me. Blackie Chan. Get your ass over here and eat now, hell. Damn, she look like she got alopecia. Blackie Chan out there. Now look, y'all gonna quit shitting on my damn step. I gotta go back on the road, finish up these little shows, y'all. This the last chance the people get to see this show. The last one. And this show is good, bitch, it's good, okay? I be out here pissing everybody off. And it's the last opportunity before we wrap up this tour. So I gotta really get out here and give these folks a show. And I don't have time for y'all to be playing with me no more. Mary Kate, act right. I gotta get some alfalfa, which means I can't reach it. Which means I gotta get a ladder. How do I open this bitch? Oh God. Jesus. Jesus. Please, Lord, keep me safe, Lord Jesus. Toot that thing up, mommy, make it right. Is this thing gonna hold me? Please. Oh, please, Jesus. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, fuck! I about went to the Lord. I about went and saw Jesus. I about saw my mama. Who? If I were the king of the fur, yeah, get your ass out the way. I told y'all my life is a Disney movie. Unless you come up underneath this robe, then it's gonna be rated X. Bitch. Shut, ho, shit. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Oh, there it goes. Just as I thought. God almighty damn. I'm really sweating. Okay, I'm fine. It's fine. It's all right. Oh, yeah, this shit is heavy. I'm coming, Lolo. Here, angel girl. Why is you throwing shit everywhere? Oh, y'all don't have no respect, do you? I'm coming, lady. I'm coming. Hold on, don't rush me. Y'all love to rush somebody. Hold on, I said. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? There you go, enjoy. I'm tired of this shit. I gotta go back on tour. I'll see you hoes in the spring.